Hey guys, welcome back to another video of War Talks, and today we have a very small item, but a very cool one. So this is a original World War I Russian infantryman's belt buckle. So it's a very simplistic belt buckle, you can see. It's fairly crude as well, but it's a very nice piece. The camera won't zoom in on it, so I'll just zoom in on it manually so you can see some more of the detail of the bird, some of the wings, some of the, this is the Russian two-headed eagle, and I do also have a Austrian belt buckle, so I'll be able to show you the difference between the Russian and Austrian one, which is very slight, but you can tell fairly easily by also what the belt buckle looks like. And the Russians have a very unique belt buckle where it's kind of just a flat piece of steel with a stamped eagle in it, and then two pieces just welded on. But you can see all the very nice details to the bird. And these are all little depictions, but this one isn't in too good of condition, so it's kind of hard to make out some of them, but you can make them out a little bit. But yeah, it's a very nice piece. And we got some interesting pieces here. Some damage there. But yeah, it's a very small but cool piece of Russian history.